how to allow or not allow Bixby voice notification types for lock screen, batch, and pop-up on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Then tap on Bixby. Next, tap on notifications. And then you go down to the notification types and then tap on lock screen to allow or not allow Bixby notification to display on the lock screen. If you don't want to show notification badges for Bixby, you can turn it off or switch it on. And lastly, you can choose to allow or don't allow pop-up. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.